Okay, so what I want to do in this section is give you a couple of quick tips. These are very simple to implement, but these will really help your conversion rates. And it's all about the area of reviews. Reviews are so important on Fiverr. You really want to try and get as many positive reviews as possible. Now, the easiest way to get them is obviously create a gig that's better than what's out there, and it really over delivers and gives people more value than $5, $10, whatever it is. But here's a couple of tips that I'm going to give you. Once you deliver the gig, you'll see a screen like this where you upload the work and send them a message. And what I always do, and I think makes a big impact, is I ask for a review. So I don't say, give me a positive review. I say, once you have reviewed the video, that's what I deliver, and are satisfied, I'd really appreciate if you could give me a rating and a comment on Fiverr. It's really important for my business. Smiley face. So I think that has a huge impact. It reminds people to leave a review, and you're not trying to put them under pressure to give a positive review or anything. You're just asking them to leave a review. If you've done your job in the gig, they're going to give a positive review. But that helps encourage more sellers when they see positive reviews. Fiverr picks up on that as well, and obviously gives you more traffic because they can see buyers are satisfied. So very small thing you can do, but has a big impact on getting more reviews, which will help increase sales.